Are you still manually copying data from messy invoices, PDFs, and receipts into your ERP or CRM? It's slow, tedious, and honestly a waste of your team's time. Today, we're looking at NanoNets, a platform claiming to turn your manual standard operating procedures into fully autonomous AI agents. They promise to automate up to 94% of your document-heavy processes, leaving just 6% for human review. But is it actually the best AI OCR and document processing platform in 2026? Let's find out. NanoNets isn't just a simple OCR tool that reads text. It's an intelligent document processing platform designed for enterprises. It acts as an AI agent that captures context, understands your business rules, and delivers clean data directly to your systems of record, like SAP or Salesforce. In fact, NanoNets is currently ranked #1 on the IDP leaderboard, even ahead of massive models like GPT-5, Gemini, and Claude when it comes to complex document processing. What makes it different is how it handles edge cases, those tricky documents that usually break standard automation tools. NanoNets uses what they call context graphs. Instead of looking at a document in a vacuum, the AI pulls context from your entire ecosystem. It checks your ERP, looks at past emails, references your specific playbooks, and then makes an informed decision. Whether it's invoices, purchase orders, or bills of lading, it extracts the structured data, preserves tables and line items, and flags low-confidence data for quick human approval. According to NanoNets, over 10,000 enterprises trust their system. For example, the CIO of Unipro reported that their end-to-end order processing went from entirely manual to 93% touchless, saving them over 10,000 hours of manual data entry every single year. That's 15 times faster turnaround. Now, let's talk about the catch. While the technology on paper looks incredibly powerful, independent third-party user reviews are currently limited online. Because it's an enterprise-grade tool, a lot of the feedback is locked behind closed corporate doors. This means we don't have a massive pool of public user complaints or praises to draw from. However, because they let you start for free and upload your own documents to test the accuracy yourself, you don't have to take their word for it. If your business is drowning in paperwork, NanoNets is absolutely worth a look. It offers a highly secure, guardrailed environment where your admins keep the keys while the AI does the heavy lifting. If you want to see it run on your own files, head over to nanonets.com to start for free or book a demo. What do you think? Is AI-driven document processing the future of your workflow? Let me know in the comments below, drop a like if this was helpful, and don't forget to subscribe for more honest AI reviews. See you in the next one.